Hello everyone. Today we are going to explain what are parallel texts and why are they useful in translation. Parallel texts are documents that are written by some topic as translator working on. The important thing is these texts are writing naturally in the target language, usually by native speakers or specialist translators. Read this text to understand how ideas, terminology, and expression are normally used in that language. Instead of relying only dictionaries, they can see how the language used in real context.
Parallel texts are very helpful because translation is not only about changing words from one language to another. A good translation must also sound natural and appropriate for the audience. By reading texts about the same subject, translators can learn the correct vocabulary, the typical expressions, and even the style that is normally used in that field. This is especially important when translating technical or specialized topics, because many words may have meanings that only apply in a specific context.
When translators use parallel text, they compare several documents that discuss the same topic. By doing this, they can identify patterns in vocabulary and sentence structure. For example, they may notice that certain terms are always used in a particular way, or that some phrases appear repeatedly in professional writing. This process helps translators to make better decisions and avoid translations that sound unnatural or too literal. It also helps them to understand the subject more deeply before producing the final translation.
To understand this better, imagine a translator who needs to translate a text about medicine. Some terms may be difficult to translate correctly just by looking them up in a dictionary. Instead, the translator can read medical articles, health websites, or scientific text writing in target language. These texts are considered parallel texts because they discuss the same subject. By reading them, the translator can see how doctors and specialists naturally describe symptoms, treatments, or medical procedures. This helps the translator choose words and expressions that sound accurate and professional.
However, translators must be careful when choosing parallel text. Not every text found online is reliable or written in natural language. Some texts may be written by non-native speakers or may contain incorrect terminology. If translators rely on these sources, their translations might also sound unnatural or inaccurate. For this reason, it is important to choose trustworthy sources, such as academic articles, professional websites, or publications written by experts. In conclusion, parallel texts are a valuable tool because they help translators understand a specialized language and produce translations that sound natural and professional.